Hi everyone, it's me Katrina from BSED Mathematics 1C. So for today, we will talk about the latest discoveries in the field of mathematics of the year 2010 to 2020. So just a brief introduction about this topic. There are 10 biggest math breakthrough of the year 2019. In 2019, math seemed to have many mainstream moments and does not including the viral problems that made us want to rip our hair out. Year 2019 saw a steady stream of answers, or at least partial answers, to tough questions that had puzzled mathematicians for decades, as well as new techniques that captured our attention in a big way. So, here are the 10 biggest math breakthrough in the year 2019. The Riemann hypothesis is generally seen as the biggest open problem in current mathematics. Standing since 1859, it relates to how prime numbers work and connects to many other branches of math. Researchers this year prove something directly related to the Riemann hypothesis. Their proof is both insightful toward solving the big question and fascinating in its own right. The sum of three cubes. This one is some seriously ancient math. Diophantine equations are named after Diophantus of Alexandria, a 3rd century mathematician. Two particular Diophantine equations, including the one seen in this photo, evaded mathematicians until 2019. The breakthrough was enabled by the latest tech in shared computer power. Another of mathematics' biggest open problems jumped closer to a resolution this year. The improved results posted by prolific mathematicians Terence Tao rocked the math community. Even after Dr. Tao's latest insights, the problem remains unfinished and could still take years to solve. Post in 1994, the sensitivity conjecture became a major unresolved question in mathematical computer science. That ended this year thanks to Professor Hao Huang of Emory University. In a frenzied few weeks following the initial announcement, scientists digested Dr. Wang's proof down to a single page of brilliance. Mathematicians are always looking for ways to help in the fight against cancer. The year started with this joint work by mathematicians and biologists. Innovative math modeling helped guide their experiments on cell growth. Then came this research, which used math models to gain new insight on how breast cancer metastasizes. Kirigami, meaning paper cutting, is less famous than origami or the paper folding, but both are finding their niches in industrial applications. Harvard researchers mastered the math of kirigami this year, illuminating new frontiers in manufacturing and materials sciences. After decades of inactivity, 2019 saw progress on the sunflower conjecture, a question posed by 1960 by Paul Erdos, one of the most famous and colorful characters in the world of math. The new information is a big step up from previous knowledge, but still doesn't completely answer Erdos' original question. In Ramsey theory, mathematicians look for predictable patterns amidst large amounts of chaos. One question from 1969 was finally answered this year, and its researchers described it with a handy analogy: the ever-winning lottery ticket. Professor Po Shen Low of Carnegie Mellon University was made waves this year, popularizing an alternative way of approaching quadratic equations. Dr. Low points out that math he's using has been known for centuries, but his descriptive approach is fresh and may prove preferable for new generations of students learning quadratic equations. Dr. Karen Allenbeck earned this year's Abel Prize, one of the mathematics' highest honors, for her decades of tremendous work. Dr. Allenbeck invented enough math to literally fill books. Her name is foremost in some super advanced math subjects like geometric analysis and gauge theory. So, that's all the 10 biggest math breakthrough for the year 2019.